actually putting myself on a routine and being consistent. Feeling like it has something to do with self-doubt, like I'm not quite sure how to push over that hurdle. Hopefully this makes sense. So I'll be real with you, like I'm someone who doesn't have a concrete routine for myself because I like to switch it up. Like I like to get up at certain times, at different times. I like to go to the gym at a different time. I just like to do things
Yeah,
differently.
so welcome.
But there are things that I make sure I do every single day, regardless of what time of the day they get done
So how
at.
you
Is that
doing?
beneficial for me?
How you guys today?
Sometimes I do wish that
Yeah,
I
so
could
there's
just go
Nasdaq.
back and retrain my brain to back when I was
There's
in
Nasdaq
high
and
school, where I had a concrete schedule every single day. Um,
yep. So let's see what you're having. Yeah, so we're drawing inside this week. Yeah. So let's see. So we drew till this level, the 75% mark, and we can see the. So if you frame from this high to this low, from this low to this high, you'll find out that this is still the 25 level. We are slightly below the 25 quadrant level whenever we're using this dealing range. So our 25 level was this, so purged lower, and then also if you're framing it from this Thursday's low, what are we having? So we simply try into that level 25 mark. If you frame from this high, we're still having that. So it's like it created some relatively equal highs here. So this high and also this smooth. So right now we are opening, and yeah, so this is what we are having. So we're having that expansion higher. So London session, the move that you were highlighting, this was simply that manipulation move in the London session, and then see we closed above this high, so low high lower low. In as much as I wanted to see it trade into this blue shaded area, but then still fine. I mean, it's still the open. Okay, and today is on a Monday. So we watch. So what do you guys think? Are we bullish or are we bearish? So from everything we've talked about, judging from what we talked about, what do you think? Are we bullish? Are we bearish? Bullish. Halima, bullish. Tin, tin, tin. So let's mark our first presented. So this is 10:30. 10:31. First presented favor lookup. So each and every single day, whenever you're trading the New York session, New York AM session, always make sure you know where the first presented favor lookup is. Yeah, so that's where you start. Then you now start framing whatever you want to see, where you want to see price drive to. So 15 minutes, that should be your bellwether chart. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Your bellwether chart. We're having this CB. I want to watch how price is reacting to this level, this CB. Sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. So this I want to see how price is reacting to that. Yeah, so welcome guys. I also remember above here we're having that new week opening up. So Friday's closing price, Sunday's opening price. So that's important. That's a very important price level. So this level here, these are daily favor lookup, daily basis. So I did say in the morning, I did say if if it reaches for 30 and you still want to be bearish, then so I did say if it reaches for 30, so during London session, I'll nix the trade idea of going short. So I'll leave that idea, I'll quit it, and then start focusing on price action, what it's doing. So it do that. This low, high, lower low, boom, close above. Then we had that. So not bad. So I want to see how this level, how price reacting to that level. So that's what I want to see. Yeah, because from that, that's how I'll judge if it wants if the market maker wants to take it to this level, or we might get a pullback. I don't know what the market wants to do, but then we have to wait and pay attention to it. We have to wait. Yeah, so if you're someone like me who was not on the move, so you just wait. Yes, I normally say moves will come, setups will come. Even if they don't come today, tomorrow is also a day. So sensitivity inside that level, so that's good. That's good. So Mikey, that's good. 1500 profit. That's good. That's good. Congrats. Keep it up, mother. So just know when to be contented and okay. $9.39. So let's see how price reacts to that level. Are we going to trade above it and continue higher, or is it going to do some other thing? Okay, so we just wait. For us, we don't know. We don't know anything that the market wants to do. We simply wait. Simply wait for it to tell us where it wants to go to. So midpoint is simply first presented fair value gap. So that's good. Yeah, so it's like it's expanding now. So I wanted to see sensitivity around this level, and it's like did that. So the first sign, second one, and now it's trading above it. So there's a 15 minutes candle, so closing the next 40 seconds. 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay. So that level, I'd say it's kind of holding. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. But man, wait for more information. 10, 10, 10, 10. So the first, this high, low, higher, high, we are not having any fair value gap here. So high, low, lower, high. Can it now give us a fair value gap? What level is this? This simply that Asian fair value gap. I mean, Asian session normally opens at 7 p.m. So 7 to 9, look at. So let me show you this level here. So the 7 p.m. candle. So the Asian session candle. CB, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. So that iko kwa 1 HPR. Okay, that's good. So right now we're trading lower, and tunafaa tutest hizi mitambo zinawaka kweli. 2026. Oh, so you've said on the 1H that level is visible. But then the one on 4H bado iko juu. So ya 4H bado iko juu. Maybe kama like itataka ipushie ya 4H. Ya 1H yani. So still, I don't know. So 3 minutes. So 9:50. Macro starts. So time. Damn. 10. Yeah, hello Tiske, niaje? Yeah, so acha tuone like SMP inafanya nini? So inapanda. Okay. So inapanda. And then US 30 inafanya hivi. Nice. So NQ pia tunafanya hiyo. So unaona like around these levels. So hapa tuko na hiyo gap, hiyo sensitivity kidogo hapo. So 950. So acha tuone, can it now expand to that hourly fair value gap? So this was a 15 minutes fair value gap. This one here. So on the hourly we are having this. So it has now expanded to the hourly fair value gap. So hiyo ni poa. So now time. Okay. And then hapa juu like tuko na hiyo new week opening up. Imeexpandia hiyo new week opening up. Oops. So regardless guys, like hapa, in as much as we were trading inside that fair value gap, we didn't have the setup. No major fair value gaps, so no trade taken inside that level. So hapa tumetrade hiyo new week opening gap. So nataka kutoa hii. I want to get rid of this level. So right now what we're having is this fair value gap in form of a BC. So there's a fair value gap. It needs to hold price going higher. Anything other than that will give us a different perspective. Again, yes. So anyone in the in any move? So nani ako kwa move? Mm. Just chilling for the next cycle. Okay. Mm. Okay, okay, okay. So yes, still rallying. Went long at 25,689. Okay. So what's your, where are you delivering to? To what level? So are you out or you're still in the trade? Tin, 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 tin. Crazy. Was looking to aim Asian Ivy. Okay, I'm still in the trade. So according to you, when does okay, what time do Asian sessions begin? So according to you, what time does Asian session begin? 10, 10, 10, 10, 18. Okay. But that hourly gap is holding. So what you need to know, anything can happen. Anything can happen. So just learn to trust your analysis. Yeah, just learn to trust your analysis. So there's Nasdaq. Yeah, so we are looking at the Nasdaq price action. Okay, so welcome. So anyone new, make sure you follow. So I want to try going short. Buys would make total sense and target buy sell liquidity. Okay, that's still valid. But then if I want to buy, then I'd really appreciate if it can give me this price level. This first presented fair value gap. If it can do that for me, then I'd be glad to go long. And also if it fails, still no problem. Oops. I'll close manual if invest that 5 minutes then, but still bullish. Okay. But then right now it's difficult, really difficult to know. Well, don't doubt yourself, trust in your analysis. Inakula kichwa. Saa ingine ni ngumu. Ina imekuwa ngumu. Imekuwa ngumu. Sijui hata mbona nimeingia kwa hiyo nini, hiyo trade. Sa hiyo stati na ishaanza kuenda. Tricky sana. Ai 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 ai. Ai ai ai. Ni mbaya. Yeah. So hali ya game, hali ya life. Tony Rain. Yeah, what's up? What's up, G? MT. Yeah, so again close juu. That's not good. Wa. Okay, so inakuanga tu hivyo. Iko na loops mob sana. Okay, but then this is not the first presented. First presented fair value gap iko chini. So what I wanted to see, if at all we want to continue higher, then at least it should trade into this level, okay? So trade into this level, and then, but then from whatever it's doing here, sijui ikitutoa au ikitutoa then ni sawa. The breakaway gap. Cha tungoje 10:30. By side liquidity. Yeah, so still pia ni Monday. Wow. So guys, nimeingia kwa trade yenye inanipea stress. Sijui mbona nimeingia. It's not making any sense. Kwani nangojea nini? Ka inataka kututoe tutoe. Aye. That's so stressful. Hapa naye nimeuma nje. Roho safi. So again hapa 5 minutes fair value BC. Inajaribu kuhold. Look at the 5 minutes 9:30 AM fair value gap. Okay. Yeah, so this is not good now. So see how it's holding. Yeah, I can see it. I can see it. Okay, so let me explain why I was trying to go short inside there. So the fact that we traded, we worked into the new week opening gap. So you guys understand that new week opening gap, that's normally a strong premium. Okay, it's a strong premium area. Okay, so after trading into that, so what I simply was like anticipating was just for us to trade below this 5 minutes fair value gap. So immediately we traded, and so it's like we closed around the lower quadrant of this. So those are some of the things that triggered me. Yeah, because I think I went short inside this candle. So after doing that, yeah, go ish. Gonna ish mingi. But then now mkiangalia momentum, hata kama inataka kuja kutoa hii buy side, then hizo longs ni kama like strength zao zinaisha. Yeah, so right now like I'm comfortable, ikinitoa ni sawa. So that's part of the process, taking L's. No, momentum is worrying me too. Okay, momentum itakuja, tungoje 10:30. I'm out now. Okay. Okay guys, I hope like sijawasabotage lakini. Yeah, so I'm also out. First L of the year. I mean first trade. Not really first trade. Second trade of the year. So I'm also out. But then right now Kenya, I know you are regretting. Mbona nimetoka mbona? Nimefunga mapema ya. So hiyo lazima ingekuja. 1v1. It's okay, tunaweza panga like, yeah, why not? Tunaweza panga tu hiyo shughuli. Ni mbaya. Ama mimi nianze kubweka. Go. By the way, kina nani wanakuanga fan wa speed? Go. Nimetolewa. Oi, chat. Chat. $25. If you stretch by. Okay. 25,841. So that's like those relatively equal highs. Yeah, so relatively equal highs. So this level here. Okay. But we'll be comfortable with 25,810. Mbona hii imetangulia kwenda chini? So your level, like your level imenifanyia ile maneno. Po, po, po. Hey chat. Hey chat. Yeah, so let's just wait for, so Tony, let's wait for 10:30. We see if the market is going to give us a move for the second range. So if at all it's going to pause a continuation move, then we'll hop into it. If it's going to give us a reversal, still fine. Hey chat. Ten. Anyway, that was a stupid trade. Okay, not really stupid, but whatever. So it's like we were having a breakaway gap huku chini. Took my loss sitting on hands until we have. Okay. CPI. Yeah, what's up, chat? Go. Ooh. Aisho speed ako Kenya maze. Ya mi nakwanga fan wake. Oh, wow. Wow. Hey chat. Okay, so nani Kenny, this was nice. So kama ulikuwa umeshika hizo longs, so I can see this was a breakaway gap. Maze kwanza msubscribe YouTube yangu kwanza. YouTube channel. Mi pia msubscribe maze kwa YouTube channel. Ipo siku. Damn. Hey chat. Kitu At times tu inakuanga na wazimu. Una wazimu. Sasa hii kanuli ya 10:30 shida ni nini? Sasa hiyo ndo kitu tungefaa tungoje like. Guys, I still believe like wow, sijui maze. So this law a chart. A chart. So my second entry shot. So na test to EPA like ikoaje maze. A chart. So once we break below this low, then now I'll believe that we want kuja huku chini. Because what I anticipate is that even if it now wants to rally higher, okay, and now take that buy side liquidity that the likes of Kinatoni was talking about. So I still anticipate some measure of so some protraction. Yeah, probably into this level. So this level sidhani like kama tutaiacha. Sawa chat. Unawazi. So if we can break below this low, then definitely we're going to have this high, low, higher, high. Then break below. After trading into a new week opening gap. A chart. Okay. Nawazi. Yeah, so those trading, yes, nasikia trader vet iko na issue. Nasikia unanitaka. So let me check, yes, nini iko. Hey, mazeleo tu yani. Yani tu. Yes, 39 ishaunda yake tena. Like, ni mbaya majamaa, ni mbaya. Acha tuone hii kama tufocusie NQ. Tuone kama itachukua hilo. So if we trade below that low, then nitakuwa confident kinda. So that means that I'm going to trade these two up close candles as an order block once we trade below it. But then still, kama itaki basi irudi tutoe. Yeah, so whatever we are doing right now, it's not like tunajitoa venye tulifanya last week. So this week we have to let it come to our stop loss. Should go to rebalance. Okay, 15 minutes for value gap to rebalance. Imagine like ni 6:30, 6:38, I mean 10:38. Na ndo bado hata ina tupay direction, like nataka kwenda wapi, unataka kwenda wapi, we mzee. We ni mbaya. So hii kifail, like tunaachana nayo sasa completely, tunaachana nayo. Sasa itatukula kichwa majamaa. It won't eat our heads. Yo, 5 minutes imeshindwa kufika kwa new week opening up, itakuwa shida kwangu. Okay. Damn, as a damn. Hey, ya leo hata mi naogopa bana. Hii move ya leo hata mi naogopa. Juu sasa sijui nafanya nini. Yeah? Nisiwadanganye najua nafanya nini. Sijui nafanya nini. Yes, I only know it trade into this new week opening up. And then that push. But then from there, dust. I'm seeing dust. I'm literally seeing dust. Ni kama tena like tangojea 10:50. Nishachoka. Nimechoka. Yeah, but then you see, I'm comfortable with it taking me out. Your 940 M bearish candle. I'm calling it order block. That's my last line of defense. 940. Okay, so to you, you're bullish. Yeah? Yes, bullish, okay. Yeah, still fine. Still good, still good. Hata nyi mnaona like ni ngumu. You right now, wale nyako, those guys who are bullish, they're really struggling. Those who are bearish are also struggling. So it's a tug of war. So no one knows the direction where the market wants to take. Sinakula kichwa. Maybe nikitoka kiasi itafanya kitu. Narudi. Oi, bado hakuna kitu. Juu sasa tutadu. Guys, ni kama ilikuwa inataka inione ndio itamove. We, hizo rejection, hizo ni ngori. Nafaa tupate like a down close candle hapo. Itakuwa fiti. So tukue match in the next 4 minutes pia like maybe this can just be a sweep and then create a continuation pattern. So we have to be really careful, really careful. Wow. Ni mbaya. So imesweep hizi laws and inataka maombi. So guys, I don't know what's going to happen, but should we just call it a day? Yeah. So mi tu ni kama nitaiacha, ikitaka kunitoa initoe, ikitaka like kufika huko chini pia ni sawa. So I'm just going to leave it. If it has the ability kuja hapo ni sawa, if it wants to rally higher pia ni sawa. So thank you guys for tuning in, it was nice hosting you all. Okay, so acha nifanye vitu zingine maze, juu hii ya leo yeah, ya leo hapana maze, nimekataa. So from Vanya hebu tafuta mbili maze, yeah, nimewacha like tupatane kesho ama PM session maybe, kama tutakuwa na kitu nitawashtua tuingie live, but then till tomorrow maze, peace. Hey chat